All right, fifth grade, it is time for your math lesson with Mrs. Patina, your math with the teacher time. We're just doing it virtually. Today is good practice for remote learning, so kind of give you a little bit of a taste of what it will be like if we ever have to go online and how I would go about teaching you. So um, I'm excited. We're going to talk about comparing fractions with the same denominator. So before we even go forward, I want you to think about how you're feeling with comparing fractions. Are you a 3? You know it really well. Or a 2? You're getting there. Or a 1? It is like so over your head you don't even know what I'm saying to you. So I want you to think about where you're at and kind of mentally evaluate yourself and just think, where am I at with this right now? If you're a 3, that's great, but there's still more to learn. So I'll keep challenging you. All right, so like I said, our objective is comparing fractions with the same denominator. Now, fifth graders, the denominator, let's talk about that for a minute. If I have the fraction 8/9, the denominator, a good way to remember this, D stands for down, is how many equal parts my whole is split into. So in this case, my denominator is 9. So that means that if I had a whole candy bar, it would be split into how many equal pieces? Go ahead and pause the video. Someone with a quiet-handed answer that. All right, unpause the video. The answer is yes, I would have to split that into 9 equal pieces. It's important that they're equal because if they're not equal, it's not a fraction. Also, fifth graders, virtual Mrs. Patina is reminding you that you need to be raising your hand for this mini lesson, and you also need to be following the directions of the substitute. So if I could hear through my computer right now, I would hear nothing because you are at a level 0 watching me. Your eyes are on me. You don't have anything that you're fidgeting with. You're not drawing. You're just simply listening to my math lesson. So those of you that are not doing that, please fix that right now. All right, and I hope that was no one, but just in case, I'm still going to make sure. All right, so here we have the fraction 1/5 and also the fraction 3/5. So as we see, fifths means my whole split into 5 equal pieces, and in this case, I have 3 pieces of the 5, and in this one, I have 1. So as you can see, 3/5 is bigger than 1/5 because it's more pieces of the same size. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that. All right. Scrolling down here. All right, so this is what you're going to do. This is your assignment. It's to find out which one of these fractions is bigger. And the way you're going to do that is by drawing a picture. So in this space right here in your workbook, I want you to draw a picture. And I will be taking this for a grade, so please do take it seriously. 1 second, fifth graders. I just lost my tools here. This is very confusing. I don't know what I did, fifth graders. Okay, well, Mrs. Patina messed up bigly on her virtual video, but that is okay. So I'm just gonna try and do this without hopefully being able to figure this out and not mess it up. Okay, so the first one is 4/9 or 4/7. So those, I'm gonna try and draw fraction bars of the same size. The reason I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna stack them is because then it's easier for me to compare them. So the top one's gonna be 4/9, and then the bottom was 1, and I'm drawing on a computer, so it's like really, really hard. So ignore how bad my drawing is. Just please pretend that they're equal for the sake of everything. Okay, so I'm gonna do 4/9. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I have 4 of those. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fraction 4/9. Okay. Now I'm going to do the fraction 4/7, so that's going to be a little trickier for me, but I'm going to try my best to draw it. So I have 1 equal piece, 3 equal piece, 4 equal piece, 5, 6 equal piece, and 7 equal piece. Pretend these are equal for the sake of everything. It is so hard for me to draw right now. Say 1, 2, 3, 4 sevenths. I'm going to shade that in. All right, and 4 sevenths would be bigger, just slightly. Also, sevenths are bigger than ninths, and since their numerators are the same, I have the same amount of pieces, but sevenths are going to be a little bit bigger because I'd rather share with 7 people than I would want to share with 9. This one is 5/8 or 6/8, 2/10 or 1/10, 1/5 or 1/3, 3/7 or 3/8, and 5/7 or 6/7. I would like you to draw a picture of every single one of these and then circle after you've made your picture of which one is bigger. Okay? That's your assignment, and good luck. And I can't wait to look at it on Monday. And now I gotta figure out how to stop my video. Okay.